How to get your partner to understand you. You just don't understand me. You just don't get me. You don't know me. You don't see me. Have you ever said that? We all have. If you don't know who I am, my name is Arica Angelo, and I'm the CEO and founder of the Arica Angelo Intimacy Experience. And we're gonna talk about how to get your partner to understand you, or as I like to say, to get your partner to see you. We all have a core need to be seen, to be understood. And all too often, we go through our relationships feeling the exact opposite. So what can we do so that we feel more understood by our partner, that we feel more seen by our partner? First and foremost, I want to say that you should have compassion for yourself. Now, what does that have to do with your partner? Most of the time we want to be seen by other people, but when I ask my clients, but do you see you? Do you understand what's going on inside of you? 99% of the time they say no. You see, we want people to give to us what we're unwilling to give to ourselves. So the first thing you want to do is start showing yourself compassion by creating some space for yourself and going, hey, like, what's going on inside of me? What do I really see about myself? What do I admire about myself? What do I find very courageous about myself? It's asking those investigative questions to really understand who you are as a person so that you see you. The second thing that I would encourage you with is have compassion for your partner. Now you're like, wait a minute, you just told me to have compassion for myself. Now I have to give it to my partner? Yeah, homie, it's called love. This is what we do. It's this compassion thing. What if I walked up to you out of the blue and said, you know what? I just love what you're wearing today. What a great outfit. Wouldn't you feel kind of inclined to want to say something nice back to me? Or you might just be polite and say, thank you. But wouldn't it soften your heart towards me? Wouldn't your posture towards me be a little bit more in my favor? Well, that's how your partner feels when you go out of your way to really show them compassion. It could be as simple as saying, you know, I've noticed you've had a really hard week and I'm really sorry your week has been so difficult. Let me know if there's something that I can do to take the pressure off of you or maybe lighten the load. But I really see everything that you're doing and you seem to have such a great attitude about it. You see, showing compassion to your partner softens their heart so that they want to have compassion for you. And compassion is the ultimate thing that we need in order to see one another and be understood by one another. The third thing, speak to it. What do I mean by that? So many times in our relationships, so many things go unsaid. So if you want your partner to understand you, to really see you, then I want to encourage you to initiate the conversation by telling your partner what you see about them. Tell them all the great things that you admire about them. Tell them the day-to-day things that they do that really resonate with you, that mean so much to you. And if you need help with this, stop and think, what would my world look like if my partner were no longer in it? Now that's a grave thing to think about, but the reality is that tomorrow's not promised to me and it's not promised to you. So you could lose your partner tomorrow. So it's better to say the things today that mean the world to you, that resonate with you, that you admire about your partner, and actually say those things to them. And guess what? In return, it's gonna soften your partner's heart towards you, and they're gonna wanna articulate back to you the things that they see in you, that they admire in you. And essentially what that does is it makes you feel more seen in the relationship. All too often in our relationships, there's too much that is unsaid, and we just don't have the luxury to go through life not letting the people in our lives know how significant they truly are. So if you want to be understood, if you want to be seen, then I encourage you to not only ask of it from your partner, but also give it to your partner as well. If this video helped you out, then I ask that you help me out by subscribing to this channel. Also, be sure to go to my website, aricaangelo.com. There's plenty more topics there that we want to uncover and share and help build the relationship and the quality of life that you and your love so deserve.